Hi y'all, my name is Ann and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you 3 boxes that I got. 2 beauty boxes and 1 fashion box. And it may have beauty in it too sometimes. This one did not. But I'm going to be doing the Walmart beauty box and then my Fab Fit Fun add-ons that I did. I just got them like a week ago. I'm a VIP member, and I've been doing this for, oh my goodness, I've been doing Fab Fit Fun for 4 or 5 years, maybe longer. So I'm going to show you what I got, kind of an in-between box. I know the customizations and the add-ons are starting this week, and so I'm not really sure exactly why I got this, but it's got some great stuff in it. But I'm going to start with the small box and go in order. What I have is the Walmart beauty box, the Fab Fit Fun little extra. And then I just signed up for Curateur, and I was just going to show you what was in. It's a quick and easy box. Show you what I got in this Curateur Welcome Box. So, okay, the first one is this Walmart beauty box, and it is only $6.98. $6.98, and you get 4. You get seasonal boxes, and this is the summer box, and I will show you what is in here. First thing, I got these Listerine Ready tabs. It says chew to transform from a solid to a liquid in seconds. Whole mouth clean feeling on the go. Chew, swish, swallow. So it's kind of like a mouthwash on the go, which is kind of awesome. Great for travel or just anything. So that's in there. And then I got Suave Pink Smooth Performer Sulfate Shampoo. So there's a shampoo, conditioner, and teeny tiny writing. Oh, just for me. And an anti-frizz cream. So they're little sample sizes. Again, great for travel. And then there is the Big Papa Wet n Wild Bye Bye Limp Lashes Mascara. And it is, it's a teeny weeny little thing. But I'll try this. I am a one mascara woman that I've been wearing forever, but I'm always up for a trial and a tryout. I've never heard of this. I mean, Wet n Wild I've heard of. I've never heard of the Big Papa. Next in here is the Cetaphil Extra Gentle Daily Scrub. So it's a face scrub. I'm going to show you the Big Papa. And show you Big Papa there. Not so big. And then another Cetaphil Sheer Mineral Sunscreen SPF 50. 50's good. And then all of those are travel size. And then I got a full size Clean Beauty Avocado Hemp Butter Sleep Mask. And so that's good. If it doesn't, yeah, that feels good. Doesn't have, just kind of has like a clean smell. Doesn't have a whole lot of smell to it, but it feels really good. So that's it for the Walmart box. $6.98 4 times a year. Okay, the Fab Fit Fun box. Hope that's not sticky. Let me tell you, I got with this summer box. I have been a member for so long that I got a thank you gift, and actually it was 3 gifts. I think I've told you in another video that we are in the process of remodeling. We haven't started yet, but we're getting everything there. Remodeling our master bath, which includes my closet and of course our master bedroom. So we have moved out of our master bedroom into a guest bedroom we're sleeping in one bedroom, then my husband is using that bathroom, and then I am using another guest bedroom for my bathroom because they both have one sink in them, and I wasn't really wanting to share a sink. Haven't done that in ever, probably. I think I shared with my sister growing up, but you didn't know any different. But this was my thank you gift from one of the thank you gifts, and where I was going with that other story is I also got a necklace, a really pretty little necklace, which we've packed up everything and I don't know where it is. And then the other thing I got, I cannot even remember what it was. So if I find it and remember, I'll let you know. But I did get this little makeup bag, the travel makeup bag that hangs in the closet at your hotel room, where you can just, I actually love this for traveling and for keeping all my things together and your shampoos, and I can put all my little Walmart items in there. But this was a bonus. This didn't come in my, this was actually a gift, did not come in my box that I got the other day. I know I ordered all of this and I picked all of this out, but let me show you what's in this box that I picked out. I have Clean Freak body wipes, which are refreshingly bold, confidently clean. They're just little, after a workout, if you're gonna like meet a friend at lunch, like sometimes I do, just little kind of wipe the sweat off kind of things. And I've never used them before, but they contain aloe, it's alcohol free, and each one of these contains, and they're really big, contains a body wipe. So there's that. I think I can smell them. And then I got this Daily Concepts Daily Silicone Facial Brush, which I love. I will definitely be using that when I wash my face. And next I got a daily lip scrubber, which I definitely need that. And then to go along with that, I got Mango and Lime Burst Nourishing Lip Oil. I slather the lip oil on at night when I go to sleep because I get really dry. And so this and this ought to give me like really great lips. And then I got this BDB Billion Dollar Brows Tinted Brow Gel. I got my eyebrows microbladed a couple of months ago, and it was not the best experience for me. The experience was the experience. It was, like most people that I've seen, it was not that pleasant, not that unpleasant. I mean, it wasn't pleasant, but, and then the healing part of it was a pain, but my results were not what I was expecting, and so that part of it's been real disappointing. But so I'll use the tinted brow gel to fill in the spots, and I may talk about my brows sometime I may do because I did take pictures day by day, and I might share that with y'all sometime. We'll have to see. And then the last thing I got, full size of Living Proof, which I love Living Proof products. It's what I'm using right now. And this is the Perfect Hair Day Body Builder, customizable body and hold. So it's a hairspray to add body. And let me tell you, everything that I got in this Fab Fit Fun box was $5. Everything was $5 except the lip oil was $7.50. And this was $17.50, and I don't know what this generally retails for, but this retails for about $40. Living Proof is pretty expensive, and so Fab Fit Fun when they have their deals, they've got great deals, and that's how I try out a lot of my more expensive moisturizers. I am not one who spends $75 on a little pot of cream for my face, but I do like good cream, and I do need good cream at my age. Oops. But that's how I try out all my creams, is with Fab Fit Fun and then some of the other beauty boxes. Lastly, I have my Curateur box that I just got. This is the Welcome Box, and I just wanted to show you. This was $35.99 or $39.99. It was right in there somewhere, but I just wanted to show you what I got and what you would get if you get to choose you've got two different choices, maybe three different choices, but this is what I chose. And this first thing is the Danielle Nicole Bag, and I think it's pretty cute. I don't have anything like this. I probably would never buy it, but I think it is really cute, and it's just this fun little, like a macrame bag with fringe. It's got the wooden handles, and but it also has, okay, really nice. It also has the shoulder strap, and doesn't have any pockets or anything, does it? No pockets, but just a cute, fun little bag to wear out, or, perfect size to like throw your phone, lipstick, and your wallet in it, and you're on your way. I love little light purses to wear when I go shopping, so you don't have like the heaviness, but a lot of them won't hold like my glasses cases, so I can switch from sunglasses to my regular glasses when I get in the store, and your wallet and all those things. But this is a good size, and it's very light because it's macrame. So I'm excited about this, and like I say, I would never have picked this out. The next thing is, I got 24-hour brow setter. I'm obsessed with my brows right now because I told y'all I got them done microbladed and don't like them, but this is just a brow setter, so I can kind of cover up some of the spots that didn't do so well for me. And then last in here, $35. This was all like $35 or $40. This I just think is so cute, and this is, it is by Eddie Borgo, and it is, I've got it wrapped up. It's a handmade piece of jewelry by Eddie Borgo, and it's just a necklace that would be like a choker. Yeah, it's a choker actually, but really pretty. I'm sorry, it's got the plastic on it and it's in there pretty tightly. It's going to take me a while to get it out, but it's just got you can see it through the plastic, but I think it's really pretty. I might see if I could find like an extension and wear it a little bit lower than a choker. I'm not a big choker person, but I think it's very pretty. I think it's very on trend right now, and as far as the style, and I don't have anything like this. I wish I had the prices to tell you. And I know you get Curateur 4 times a year. Whoa, not a month. 4 times a year. And this, I think it's $99 a box. So it's going to be, and you'll get more. This is the Welcome Box, just to kind of let you know what to expect. And here in this magazine, they've got like some of their products, and you can get these for up to 60% off retail value. All of these on curateur.com. The robe, I mean, just look at all that stuff. That's really, anyway, it used to be, there's Rachel Zoe, her deal, but I just wanted to show you that really quickly. That's what I got in this Curateur. I'm excited to get it. I've seen some unboxings, and I think, wow, that's really pretty. And I would have never, like I said, I would have never bought this purse, but I think it's really cute, and I think it's going to be a really fun thing to wear, and I think this is really pretty. And now I have one piece of jewelry that's not packed up somewhere where I can't find it. Just wanted to show you a few of the boxes that I'm getting. Fab Fit Fun, I was too late I got it early, but I didn't do an unboxing, and then everybody had done their unboxing. So, but this was something different and something in the middle. If you're, let me tell you this too. If you'd like to try Fab Fit Fun for free, just give it a try. I've got 3 starter boxes that I can send to you, and all you have to pay is shipping and handling. And it says, be the best friend ever and send them this season's complimentary starter box. So like I say, all you pay is shipping. You sign up, you receive the starter box and a trial membership, and just pay shipping once again. You'll get your box and trial access to member exclusives like TV and shop, so you can go and shop their really inexpensive things like I was showing you. Their TV has cooking, has workouts, it's got some personal stories. It's like having you can pick different workouts if you want to, or recipes. It says no hassle, you can cancel your trial anytime within 21 days of sign up, and then after 21 days you'll be enrolled in the seasonal membership and your credit card will be charged, is what it says. So for the next boxes, if you're interested in that, message me down below and we can get in touch. I'll get in touch with you and I can email you the sign up email, and you can try Fab Fit Fun for shipping, just shipping. Like I say, I've got 3 of those to give away, so message me down below if that's something that you'd be interested in. Anyway, that is it for this little something different, and I will see you next time. Thanks for joining me, y'all. See you next time. Bye-bye.